Thank you so much for the till today. We have worked a lot. Now I would like to take a review from you. How was your experience with the Erthpot and support from the team?
First of all, I am very happy to tell you that for the first project what we did in Bangalore.
Yes, I know.
That is for a college. It's for a 37-seater boardroom.
Yeah, correct.
And I researched with many other products.
Okay.
And finally, I'm very happy and glad that I found Erthpot. And the service of Erthpot was very excellent.
Yeah, okay.
So that is the only reason which I made my mind to first go with Erthpot.
Correct.
And then I was little here and there doubtful about the quality of the product because that was made in India. Then once I made my mind, okay, let me first go with this Erthpot product. And we shipped the product immediately.
Yes.
So we had got 3 chairman mic and 35 delegates with Erthpot KF44 DSP and the control system. And then we installed the system. And the team from Erthpot, that is Sharon's and Sailesh, they did an amazing job during the installation time.
Okay.
Because our local vendor, they supplied the product. What was their job, they did it.
Yes.
And finally, the entire installation part was handled by Sharon's. He even fly down to Bangalore when we had some issues. That was a great thing what you people did for us. And excellent product. The sounding of the product in the conference room is amazing because I've been worked with Shure, I've been worked with Sennheisers, I've been worked with biodynamic microphone, Audio Technica. In many projects we have done in banks and all. So for this project, I'm very, very happy with Erthpot products. The quality of the sound, the feedback, I'm not getting any feedback in that. That is more important with the DSP especially. So once we worked on that DSP part, even though we had a lot of noise cancellation, we did that in that. So I'm very, very happy. And also we have ordered for the second project. Upcoming, I'm going to order for the third project with them.
Yes, correct.
So I'm very happy with the Erthpot product as well as the team. And happy with meeting Hina too. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Maybe we will do more other projects with the flash mount system as well.
Yes. The third project I want to do it with the flash mount. Correct. That's what.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot,
Thanks
Hina.
for visiting.
I hope that your cooperation will be always there with our company, and we will work in the future.
Thank you so much.